The company was formed in 1962 and primarily was just a spice repacking company. So they would just take spices in and repack them into packages for use in food service institutional. And then as they progressed, they got into blending of spices and packaging of that. And then
it was just kind of a natural progression to expand into doing sauces because we had a lot of our spice customers were asking for those kind of things. So 20 years ago, it seemed like a fast time, but as you know, we were only hand packing some spices and hand pouring some syrups, and literally had a couple of kettles that weren't even turned on. And you know, today now we have fully automated lines for acidified and high acid sauces and things like that, and of course fully automated production lines for our flavors and syrups and drink concentrates and things like that. And then we're up to blending and packing about 7 million pounds of spices a year. So fully automated line there, you know, run upward to 100 plus bottles a minute depending on the size on that spice line. So a lot of automation, a lot of capability, and I think what sets us apart is our culture. You know, for some reason there seems to be a lot of secrecy in this business, and we're not that way. You know, we have this saying that we want to be the manufacturing extension of our customers. They have free reign to come in here, watch what we're doing, you know, to make sure we're adhering to their standards. And, you know, we don't want them worried about manufacturing. We want them obviously out there selling. Yeah. And the more they sell, the more we make, and that's a great partnership. And have been extremely happy through the whole, you know, through the whole transaction. I mean, the equipment, you know, arrived. We had plenty of FaceTimes and conversations and all of that. Of course, Ska sitting down, their technical support with Jared. Great guy, and you know, got it all put together, got our people trained, and you know, like any piece of new equipment, there's going to be hiccups and there's going to be learning and challenges and all of that. And you know, Ska's just been a phone call away, and that's what we want from a partner. Somebody that'll pick up that phone, get us through whatever issue we're having, and just keep moving forward. And so it's just keeping that constant pressure of glass, you know, there at the filler. And so increased production. We don't have to have 2 or 3 people at the front of the line unloading boxes, and those people can have other tasks to do. And I think the longer the machine stays in here, the more comfortable everybody gets with it, and not having to sit there and kind of feel like they need to sort of hover around it. It's only going to improve those things. And so
they'll continue to figure out ways of making it go a little better, quicker, and get more comfortable with it. I mean, when we first talked about that machine and showed a picture or this, I mean, the fear in the eyes of our employees was really emblematic.
When that first bottle came out of that, off that depalletizer, went through that old rinser and everything, and got put on our line, our people just spontaneously started clapping.
Yeah.
It was like,
it was.
They couldn't believe it. And again, I can tell they're happy. They're smiling out there, and they don't have to be dealing with it. And again, it's plenty fast too. And so it's going to allow us to expand as well. We can feel comfortable that we want to upgrade our filler. It's going to be able to keep up with it, and that's important.
Yeah.